Yo guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So we're doing a little bit of swapping out of some light bulbs on my 2015 Subaru WRX. I got these LED replacements. These are the stock ones that I'm using currently with these aftermarket headlights. I did just change this one. It is a halogen bulb, but they are LEDs. So it has a nice white glow to it. And here's the stock one. It has more of an amber color. So I'm going to be changing these out. Just a quick little maintenance video. Changing out some light bulbs, nothing too big. But for this set, I gotta take out the air box, so I'm gonna work on that, and I'll change out the light bulb. And these do have a little fan here too, so they are LED, a little bit brighter, just to kind of improve the lighting at night. Because these stock light bulbs are a little bit harder to see during the night, so it'll also improve this amber look. It'll give it more of a LED white glow to match the rest. But I'll get the other light bulb installed, and then we'll see how it looks. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're all good to go. Got LEDs on both front headlights now. My daytime beam here is out on this headlight, but I'm not really worried about it. But now I got LED headlights. A little upgrade for night. And then next time I do a night drive, I will record the lighting at night to show you how everything looks. Just a quick little maintenance video on the 2015 Subaru WRX. As you can see, the engine's looking all nice and clean. Got everything all buttoned up and put back together. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your support, and I'll see you guys around. Peace out.